think it's wrong. Deep boy fresh with it on. Know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important. What I'ma lock out. Don't play with the. Someone come on throw my heart. I think it's wrong.
Ladies and gents, welcome to the video, man. You see the lineup. We're about to take the C8 for a drive, one of the above, right? Because maybe the C8 should be the next car. Maybe. What y'all think? We got the M340i, the 340i, the C8, the C8R. Gonna take this one for a drive, I think, and let's see what it does, man. Let's see what it does. It's gonna be my first time driving a C8. No, you know it's to the limit, so we gotta push it to the limits. But yeah, we gonna go for a drive and see what you do, man. You guys see the keys, man? He got that carbon on it. Oh, Corvette. Let's open this thing up. Or you know what? Yeah, let's open it up. Let's go on the inside. Ooh, damn, look at the interior. That shit white. God damn, man. Ooh. And you know this one, the convertible. Damn, this shit got a lot of space. I ain't gonna lie, this thing has a lot of space. I expected to have way less space. 70. Oh, wow. Start it up. Ooh. I don't even know how to take down the roof. I really don't know how to take down the roof. I'm gonna have to ask Corey how to take down the roof, because right now I don't know how to take down the roof. How do I take down the roof? I don't know, but I know you press Z mode if you want to put it in track. Change up there, all right? And we're gonna rev it. We gonna take it for a drive, man. Oh, the mirror is sick. Oh, you don't even gotta move it because it's, oh, that's sick. Oh, my girl texted me. But yeah, we're gonna take this for a drive, see what it do, and let's get it on the road, man.
Put into manual.
In manual?
Yeah, so first you gotta put it into drive and then manual.
Is it close?
Nah,
slam it?
You just gotta, yeah, so push it and then just slam it. Good, close.
Good? Alright. Z mode is on?
Yep, the Z mode's on.
We need traction off. We gotta hold it down.
Yep, that's it. Traction off.
There we go. Fully off. Windows down.
That's it.
Woo!
The best way.
We driving a C8, baby. It's my first time driving a C8. I was driving a C7.
Okay.
But not C8. Already?
Nah. Press it. Yep, that's it.
Ooh. Okay. Alright, we're gonna start off a little bit smooth, guys.
Yeah, smooth, and then that's it. Yeah.
And then we build up. Yeah, I feel like I'm driving a supercar. Yo!
You ready, bro?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I feel like I'm driving a supercar, dog. I ain't gonna lie. Alright. Yo! It just took off!
I told you, bro.
And it just gripped!
This thing don't have no lag, nothing. I changed out the back tires, so they're brand new. So
your brand new back tires?
Yeah, brand new.
So it's gonna grip?
Hell yeah, it's gonna grip. This whole video is gonna grip, bro.
Nah, I bet we gonna get it to kick out.
Let's see.
You said let's see. Yo, dog. Everything good? Grip. Let's take it through these corners, man. Everybody saying C8 handles good, right?
Yeah, man.
Let's see.
It takes corners, man.
Oh, the duck.
Oh, the duck. Oh, come on, man.
Through the corners.
Yes, sir.
Told you gonna kick out.
You did.
But it's so smooth though.
That's what I'm saying, man. People have no idea.
It's like, it's really good. It, like, bro, the rear engine setup.
Yeah.
See right there, just gripping.
Yeah, that's it.
Yo.
It takes corners, right?
Like crazy.
I told you, bro.
Yo, the brakes hella good too, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, sir. Yo, it's just going. It's just going.
That's it.
It's just going with the flow, bro.
I'm telling you, bro, this car just keeps pulling and pulling, man.
It's impressing me.
Especially yours, right?
But This actually impressed me, the way like the grip and stuff.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, my Hellcat doesn't get grip to save its life.
Really? Oh,
Yeah, it does.
Because those cars just... Yo, this is a driver, man. This is a driver.
I had to get that shot from on.
Yeah.
That shot gonna look so good. Wait until he send you that
good,
picture,
though.
bro.
Huh?
Wait until he send you that video. That shot that we just flew past,
I
it's
think
gonna look so
crazy,
good.
right?
It's gonna look sick. Alright guys, we're gonna take it back. I'm actually impressed by the C8 so far.
Yeah. So tell me your thoughts, man. Is it good?
I love it,
up
bro.
to your expectations?
Of course, I
That's
actually
it.
beaten it.
That's it,
And the
man.
thing is, I drove a Lambo on that same course, right?
Okay.
Like, to them corners of Huracan, rear-wheel drive.
Right.
And with the Huracan, I drove with traction off too, and it kicked out. But this even get more grip than that.
This one got so much grip, bro. I'm telling you, especially with brand new tires. It's just going.
Like what? You have to really force her or really push her to get her sideways.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see if she gonna kick that car. The heads-up display looks sick.
Looks sick too, right?
All right. It's like she's sliding and it's still going.
It's sliding, but it still grips.
It's like still accelerating crazy. Yeah, I love this thing. I love it.
It is fun though, right? I'm
Wait,
telling you.
C8 for the next car, bro?
C8 or C706.
It's like it's gonna grip.
Hell yeah.
Dog.
Come on,
Dog.
Come on, bro.
This is crazy. That's how you do it.
That's how you do it, right?
That's how you gotta force her though.
To the limits, man. He really pushes every car to the limits. I'm telling you guys.
Even Lambos, so go check it out. There you go. What do you think? Just make a U-turn and stop? Just a little donut U-turn? What do you think?
It's up to you.
All right.
Just have to make sure there's no traffic, no, you know.
Cars.
No cars, no nothing. You about to do a little donut.
Y'all ready? You want to catch it from inside or out?
From like the inside.
All right, you ready?
Gotcha.
I hope this is the recorder, right? It's blinking?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. That's it. I'm about to post that and say that was me.
Hell yeah.
Yo, you are a driver, bro. Much
That's
respect,
what I trained
bro.
for, dog.
Much respect, bro. God damn,
And
you not playing.
she is going crazy with this. She don't care what you throw at her.
She don't care, bro.
And let's park it. Yo, dog.
My boy, I
Thank
told
you,
you,
bro.
I told you that we had to make
This car
I told him
is
that we had to make
crazy.
this video happen. I
Yo,
told him.
we've been trying to make this video happen
Trying
for
to
the
make it happen
longest.
for like a month, but my tires was all messed up. But now we got new tires and everything. Gas, we got full tank, so we ready today.
Ready for the cruise, huh? This should feel like a supercar for
I'm telling
real,
you.
though.
It has the same look and everything.
It has the same look, and the feeling of it, the way it's
It's
just like,
it's the same way, right?
it's like you're turning, it's going exactly where you're turning. You
Right.
don't got to put it anymore.
Right.
It's like, if you think that's the amount you need, that's the amount you need, bro.
Right.
Bro, I
So what's
love
up,
this
man?
thing.
You gotta
I
tell me
love-
your thoughts. You like it?
I feel like buying one. I love this shit. Guys,
bro.
comment, let me know. To the limits, buy a Corvette. What you guys think?
Come on, man.
Yo,
Tell
I
him.
love this
I'm
thing.
trying to bring him to the Corvette side. Come
People,
on, man.
this car is amazing. I came in here, saw all these. I didn't even know how to put down the roof. But this thing is sick. I love it,
That's it.
dog.
Appreciate
I
my
love,
boy.
bro,
Appreciate
this
you,
is
bro.
sick.
That's it. You know I got you.
You guys stay tuned, man.
All right. Let's go.
Dog. All right. Yo. So wait, what kind of tune does it have?
I can't remember what I did, but my boy hooked me up.
Oh my God, scared us out.
Shit.
I don't know what it is, but this one slides a lot more. It slides a lot more, bro.